Good evening, all of you all. Okay, once again connecting with everybody, just waiting for a few moments so that if people are around, then I can tell them what exactly I'm here for. Okay, I can see a few people coming up. You can always write a hi in the chat box, so I'll come to that you're present out over there. So I'll still wait for another 30 seconds and then I'll begin with what I really want to offer today. Okay, just wait for 2 more minutes, sorry, 30 more seconds. And then we can straight away begin with what we exactly want to do tonight. Okay, this is for class 9 that I'm online over here today. Hello everybody. Hi Zidan. Hi Aradhya. Thank you so much for putting that hi. That really means a lot. Good evening, Siddhan. Good evening, everyone. Okay, I'm starting with a new course called as Mission 144. Now, what is this Mission 144 all about? Let me help you understand it. So, Mission 144 is specifically designed for class 9. So, a lot of people obviously tag me with a lot of things. So, I've come up to answer all of them today. Yes, well played, man, by whoever gaming. This is the answer for you specially. Okay. So if you are in class 9 and if you're looking out for the courses, how are we going to work out? So I have created one course on Roughbook app. Yes, the name of the app is Roughbook, which you already know by now. Download it from Play Store. Once you download the app, in that app you have to look out for a course. The name is Mission 144. I am writing that in the chat box, Mission 144. So once you look out for that Mission 144, you can click on that. It is available for rupees 10. Yes, I'm charging rupees 10 here, not as a business, so that we can keep a control on the people who are coming in. Now, what I'm going to do in that Mission 144, let me make you understand that. Okay. So if you are enrolling for that 10 rupees course, that will allow you to come live with me next week. That is on Wednesday, 14th of April in the evening at 8 p.m. So let me write it in the chat box, 14th April 2021 at 8 p.m. is what you will see me live on Zoom. So if you've paid 10 rupees, you become a part of that course. And once you become a part of that course, you will be seeing me live next week on Zoom through Roughbook app itself. All the details how to join will be shared with you once you enroll. Now, what is the purpose and why should you enroll? Once you enroll into this, okay, I will be talking to you next Wednesday where I will tell you how to finish your entire standard 9 in less than 5 months. Yes, you heard it correct. In less than 5 months, that is only in 144 days. So once you know how to finish your entire work in less than 5 months, that is 144 days, and that too for free. I repeat, for everybody, it's going to be free. How is it going to be free and how we are going to work out? All those details will be shared with you once you join with me next week on Wednesday, that is 14th of April in the evening at 8 p.m. Okay, so I want all of you all to join this course for 10 rupees. Join with me next week, Wednesday, 14th April, 8 p.m. and I will discuss with you how I will make you finish your entire course in less than 5 months and that too for free. So tell all your friends, everybody around to come join this course, pay rupees 10 and trust me, I'll see to it that your 10 rupees are very valuable and you make the most out of it. So I'll tell you how I'm going to make it free for you, how we can work it out and how I am going to help you throughout your class 9. Okay. So please see to it all of you all join next time. Sir, take my name, Venuka. Okay. Thank you, Venuka, for supporting me. Yes, OMG free, that means it's less than 1 rupee. So please join it and I'll tell you how is it going to be free next week. I'm sending a link right now in the chat box. This link, once I finish the video, today's live video right now, which I'm doing, I'm going to share the link of the Google form. So you have to fill up that form so that I get your Okay, it's also there in the chat box. I've already shared with you. You need to take that link, fill that Google form, so I get your details as in your email ID, so I can make you enroll for that course. Okay, so you got to do two things. Number one, fill up the form which I have put it in the chat box right now. I will also put it in the description of this live video once I finish the video. And second thing, you also need to subscribe to the course called as Mission 144. I'm pushing the link of that Mission 144 also in the chat box down once I finish the video. So it becomes easy for you to locate it. So you locate Mission 144, fill up the form, pay 10 rupees, meet me next week, Wednesday, 14th of April, and I will discuss with you how I'm going to help you throughout the year to finish your standard 9 in less than 5 months. For class 10, don't worry, I'm in the working is in the pipeline. Once I finish with 9 standard, maybe in a couple of days I will again go live, and I will tell you maybe on Thursday at 8 o'clock, that is 15th April, I will try and plan out the same thing for class 10 also. So don't you worry, don't you bother about it, and everything will be worked out for you. Okay, so class 10, don't worry, something is coming up in a day or two for you as well. Class 9, fill up the link, fill up the Google form, fill up 10 rupees. Obviously you got to pay so that you are becoming a part of it. Limited seats again, so please do it as quickly as possible. So tomorrow you should not tell me I'm a businessman, I didn't allow you. So I'm giving you all possible options now. So two things you need to do, again I'm repeating so that you do it well. Number one is you're going to fill up the Google form. Number two is what you're going to subscribe to the course for 10 rupees and meet me next Wednesday so that I can help you understand how we are going to finish the syllabus in 5 months. Not only that, also it's going to be free for you all. How will it be free? All those things will be discussed on Wednesday when we meet. Okay, let me read few of the chats over. You have done impact for class 10 students, whatever. I can't read. Thunders, you're going very fast. Students by making on and call. I don't know. Cheat for class 10. What you're writing, I don't understand, bacha. You need to write it nicely so that I can understand. Okay. So let me read few of the previous chats. Uh, Ritik Singh, sir, you work very hard. Great fan, sir. I have joined every class of 9 standard. Sir, you are great. Thank you so much, Ritik. I'm really happy to see people like you who are supporting me, for whom I am ready to work hard as well. But if you are expecting only everything free, 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 yes, this is the time I'm giving you as well. So I'm trying to cater to all sort of people and trying to give you the best. Okay. Sir, free में करो classes, then president will give you Oscar award. Okay, don't worry about the Oscar award. Like right now, let's focus on our studies. So, Mr. Hunter, you should be coming next Wednesday, paying rupees 10 at least. That much I am sure you can afford, right? Great. So do that, and I'll be seeing you next Wednesday, where I will tell you how we are going to work out. Roshni Singh, sir, I really appreciate your efforts and hard work. Thank you so much, Roshnish. It's because of people like you who can understand our mindset, and it really helps. Moksha Das Banerjee, you're from my school, I remember. Sir, thank you for your hard work. Most welcome, Moksha. I'm always going to work hard for you. Thank you so much for that. Manju Reddy, sir, I'm proud of you. I'm also proud of you, Manju, for actually supporting me. Thank you so much. So today I'm really happy to see all the chats. More than one or two negatives, everything is positive out over here. Thank you so much. So tell all your friends, fill up the course, Mission 144, search on Roughbook, pay 10 rupees, be a part of it as quickly as possible. And next week I'll meet you Wednesday. Okay. So until then, chalo, take care. Nishil Kampani, you are the best. Thank you, Nishil. DJ Jainam, thanks, sir. Pavan, YouTube, please take my name, sir. I took already. Om Keluskar, sir, thanks a lot. So good job, guys. I'm happy to see all of you all. So everyone who's in class 9 now, please fill up that 10 rupees. Come next week and I'll help you to understand. Tell all your friends around to pay that 10 rupees. It's going to be very, very important. Tell everyone around, come up. I'm going to help you out over there to understand how to go about it for the next year completely. Okay. Chalo. Bye, guys. See you. Take care. I'm ending the stream now. Bye bye. Good night.